penultimate use case, if I am a researcher or clinician interested in 2 variants from a patient and want to look for compound heterozygosity ever published in the medical literature, I can perform a specific variant search in the advanced mode by first engaging a gene and next engaging a particular variant for that gene. In this case, the example that I'm using is trivial. It's KRAS G12D and KRAS G13D. Now I've got the AND operator in my advanced search capability. KRAS as a gene is necessary to appear in the paper to ensure that it's in fact a KRAS variant. If I'd like to perform the search, what I'm now seeing are both of those variants are present in 1,300 individual articles in the all diseases category. If that's what I want to focus my search on, because I want to cast a very wide net. If I'm particularly interested in, say, compound heterozygosity in the context of a constitutional disease, I can go to the ACMG Classification category and identify where compound heterozygosity appears as a key term and perform that search. So again, that's in the context of a constitutional disorder. That would be a way for you to focus your search among those 1,300 articles that talk about both of your individual variants that you've identified in your patient. And that's not necessarily just possible with the same gene, but it could span multiple genes. So I could have just as easily performed the search for a KRAS and an EGFR variant in advanced mode as I've just shown.